So by popular demand, I'm going to show you how to moonwalk on the box the Galen way. In order to moonwalk on the box, normally you would want to hit modifier X plus forward or modifier Y plus forward to start a walk animation up. Then, while holding forward, release that modifier button and you will get a full walk speed. You could also input forward before another action finishes and you will buffer that walk in. What we're going to do today is replace that walk that we did in the first place with a wave dash back, and then after we do that wave dash back, we're going to plink forward to back from frame 1 to frame 2, and if we do it correctly, it'll look like that. It's important to note that if you get, say for instance, a frame 1 into that frame 1 to frame 2 input, the moonwalk is going to be very clean. If you get a frame 3 and then you do that moonwalk, it's not going to be as smooth and you're not going to get as much distance. So the same principle can be applied when we hit modifier X and wave dash back to get further distance. You will get further distance on your moonwalk. Now let me show you one more time. Back in one swift plink motion. There are a lot of applications that can be used with this technique. For instance, if you saw the video I posted a little while ago where we talked about 0-degree wavelands, you can apply this to your 0-degree waveland formula. And you can even do it out of a short hop, and you saw that I could edge cancel into a ledge grab with that. You could even edge cancel it with other aerials. You could add it to other 0-degree waveland uses. If I could get it. Oops, I'm bad, sorry. There we go. There we go. Not only is it fun, it's kind of viable, it's somewhat useful. You're more so wave dashing in neutral a lot more than any other type of walk animation, so figured why not. And this, by the way, is applicable to every single character in the cast. Every character can wave dash back and then hit forward to back in one frame with a box controller. This is not something that can be used with a GCC controller, unfortunately. Enjoy.